GNA University, located in Pagwada, Punjab, has received an overall rating of 4.1 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How are the MBA courses here? Let's find out in this detailed review, starting with the placements rated 4.3 out of 5 stars. According to NIRF 2024, 33 students graduated from the 2-year PG program in 2022-23, of whom 28 secured placements. Based on student reviews, recruiters such as Axis Bank, Hero Cycles, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Times of India, and Ola actively hire from the university. Top roles offered included positions in banking operations, sales, finance, marketing, HR, and international business. In 2023, the highest package offered was 17 lakh per annum with a median of 4.5 lakh per annum. Compared to Chitkara University, GNA has room to improve its median packages for the MBA graduates. Several students secured on-campus internship with companies like Hero Steels, Hero Cycles, GNA Gears, and Midland Microfin. Moving on now to the academics, where GNA University offers a 4.4 star rated MBA program with 8 specializations, including unique options such as MBA with BFSI, as well as specializations in digital marketing and business analytics powered by Upgrad. Eligibility requires a minimum of 50% in UG with admissions based on merit. Students can also apply via CAT, MAT, ZAT, or GUSET, the university's scholarship cum entrance test. The CAT 2023 cutoff stands at a comparative 70 percentile. The total course fees for the 2-year ranges between 3.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs depending on the specialization, with additional annual hostel fees of around 90,000 rupees. Scholarships are available based on merit, sports, and other criteria. Moving on now to the 4.4 rated infrastructure. GNA University's campus spans 50 acres and is well connected, just 6 kilometers from Pagwada Junction. The campus features smart, spacious classrooms and well-equipped laboratories, including statistical, tally, and AI MA Biz labs, a DGCA-approved aviation wing, a comprehensive library, all supported by campus-wide Wi-Fi. The university also offers well-furnished hostels for comfortable student accommodation. For sports enthusiasts, facilities include basketball, football, cricket, a gym, and a swimming pool, while medical facilities ensure students' well-being. Turning our attention to faculty and course rated 4.7 stars. Students appreciate the supportive and well-qualified faculty, many of whom hold PhDs. The curriculum is industry-aligned with guest lectures, industrial visits, live projects, and internships. Students also have access to LinkedIn certifications, stock market trading, leadership camps, elective courses, and NISM classes. Additionally, collaboration with industry giants like Bosch, Siemens, Autodesk, and Dassault Systems further enhance the learning experience. Moving on now to the 4.3 rated campus life. Student clubs in finance, digital, HR, and marketing host year-round events, and the campus also features seminars, workshops, cultural celebrations, talent hunts and marathons, sports, and food fests, enhancing campus life. Lastly, GNA University is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024 management category. For more details on GNA University and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.